While you were employed with Nolan Farms, did you know someone by the name of Huston Danker?
Yes.
And besides working with him, how did you know Huston?
I met him a few times prior, but just short, 5 minutes here or there. That was about it.
So mostly just co-workers?
Yeah.
While you were working with Mr. Danker, did he ask you to do something for him?
Yes.
What did he ask you to do?
Hold his guns.
Did you agree to hold the guns for him?
Yes.
Can you describe the circumstances that led to that arrangement?
He was moving, and his girlfriend, whatever he was moving in with, had a daycare in her house, so I'm assuming he didn't want him there.
And is that what he told you?
No, he never said that. He just said, "Can you hold these for me?" And that was it.
Okay, gotcha. Did you agree to hold the weapons for him? After that conversation with Mr. Danker, did he give you any guns?
Yes.
And where did he bring those to?
To work.
How many guns did he bring you?
3.
Can you describe those firearms?
Yes.
What firearms did he bring to you?
One was an AR-15, one was a double barrel shotgun, and one was a .22 rifle.
Okay. Was it a Ruger 1022? Yes. Do you recognize this firearm?
Yes.
Can you describe it for me?
It's a Ruger 1022.
Okay. And how do you recognize it?
Yeah, that's one Huston gave me, one of them.
Okay. And did you have this weapon stored at your home?
Yes.
At some point during the time that you had possession of the 3 guns Huston Danker gave you, did you bring that fact up with Mr. Danker?
Yes.
And when you mentioned it, what was his response?
Don't worry about it. Just keep holding on to him.
The microscopic comparisons conducted on the cartridge case from the scene, they were compared to the rifle submitted in report number 13, and the cartridge case was identified as having been fired in that rifle. In my case, that lab item number 49, it was a Ruger 1022 rifle.
Okay. When did you receive this Ruger 1022 rifle?
It was received on May 7th, 2024.
Okay. And what kind of testing did you do with this rifle?
So the rifle was brought back to my laboratory where I took notes. I examined the rifle, confirmed that it was in working order, and then once I did confirm working order, I confirmed the serial number. I went ahead and test fired that rifle. I collected the known cartridge cases and known bullets from that rifle because I was able to collect those from our laboratory, knowing those came from the rifle. Now I can use them as known samples. And then once I had those known samples, I was able to use those on the microscope, the comparison microscope, which I'm assuming you guys might have talked about already, where we're comparing test-fired cartridge cases to the unknown cartridge case, and that's where the conclusion was made.
What conclusion did you make?
Again, that that cartridge case was fired from that firearm.
Will you tell the jury what 298 is?
So this is a Ruger 1022, model 1022, 22 long rifle, long gun or rifle, and the serial number on this particular firearm is 0003-61269.
There were no exit wounds. Bullets were recovered from each gunshot wound. In terms of the stippling, I measured the distance from the abrasions from the edges of the wound. The gunpowder will fan out and create a rough circle. So there were 2 rough interlapping circles around both gunshot wounds.
Indicating to you, based on your prior testimony, that both shots were fired at close range?
Yes.
Were you able to make a determination regarding the cause of death?
Yes.
What was that?
Gunshot wounds of head.
Were you able to make a determination regarding manner of death?
Yes,
And what was that?
homicide.